Assalamu alaikum class, this is your mathematics teacher Abdul Alim from Rills School. Open up your page number 69, and on page number 69 you have to write name, class and date. This is worksheet number 6, that is multiplying two fractions. In this concept we will learn how to multiply two fractions. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. Express each answer as a fraction in its simplest form. We have 1 over 2 multiply 1 over 3. These are two fractions and we have to multiply them. The concept is very easy. That is, multiply the numerator with numerator. So 1 multiply 1 is 1. And multiply the denominator with denominator. 2 3s are 6. So answer is 1 over 6. This is the concept. Nothing tricky. But in the concept of shape, how we will understand is this, that we have one shape, this is the shape, and the first fraction says 1 by 2. What this means is, if you divide the one shape in two parts, color the one part. This is 1 over 2. Two parts and color the one part, okay? And 1 over 3 means that divide that same shape in three parts and color one part of out of that three parts. So divide it into three parts. So this is the 1, 2 and 3 part, and color the one part out of those three parts. So this is the colored area. Okay. Now what is the answer? Answer is the common region. This is the common region. This is the common region. This is our common region now. So we have 6 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we have to color one part. So this is 1 over 6. Okay. So the answer is 1 over 6. B part, 1 over 2 multiply 5 over 6. 1 5s are 5, 2 6 are 12. This is our answer. 1 over 3 multiply 3 over 4. Here 3 and 3 both goes on the same table. 3 1s are 3 and 3 1s are 3. Now 1 1s are 1 and 1 4s are 4. So this is our answer. Moving on to the next page, part number D. We have 1 by 4 and 5 by 6. So 1 5s are 5 and 4 6 are 24. Same. So the E part is also same. 1 over 3 multiply 3 over 8. 3 and 3 both goes on the same table. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. Now 1 1s are 1, 1 8s are 8. Moving on to the next page, number 71. We have question number 2. Multiply and express each answer as a fraction in its simplest form. So 1 over 4 multiply 2 over 5, and this 2 and 4 goes on the same table of 2. 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So both of them cancel and we get 1 and 2. Now 1 multiply 1, write it as this. 2 multiply 5, write it as this. And 1 1s are 1, 2 5s are 10. Part number B, 2 over 7 multiply 3 over 4. Both of them 2 and 4 goes on the same table of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. These cancel and we get 1 and 2. So multiply the numerator with numerator. 1 multiply 3 and denominator with denominator. 7 multiply 2. 1 3s are 3 and 7 2s are 14. Next part, 6 over 7 multiply 2 over 3, and we know that 3 and 6 goes on the same table of 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Now we get 2 multiply 2 and 7 multiply 1. So 2 2s are 4 and 7 1s are 7. Moving on to the next part, 4 over 5 multiply 7 over 8. Students, you can see that these parts are very easy, and this concept is very easy. You just have to multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. One thing you have to understand is that you have to find, if you have something in numerator and something in denominator, both of these should go on the same table, then you can cut it. If you do not get any of this, then you simply multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So here we find 4 and 8, both of them goes on the same table. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So we get 1 multiply 7, 5 multiply 2, 1 7s are 7 and 5 2s are 10. Next part, 5 over 4 multiply 1 over 2. Here you can see we have no such numbers which goes on the same table. So we simply multiply 5 multiply 1 and 4 multiply 2. 5 1s are 5 and 4 2s are 8. This is the F part, 3 over 4 multiplied by 1 over 9. I can see that this 3 and this 9 goes on the same table of 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. They cancel out. And I can see that 4 and 10 goes on the same table of 2. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. So these would both cancel out and we get 2 and 5. So 1 multiply 5 and 2 multiply 3. 1 5s are 5 and 2 3s are 6. This is our answer. Now we have the next question, question number 3. Here we can see the calculator icon. That means we have to use calculator to solve these questions. Question is multiply and express each answer as a mixed number in its simplest form. So we have to multiply both of them and then write the answer using a calculator. Now what you guys are going to do is get yourself a scientific calculator just like this. Okay, you guys should have a calculator like this. This is a scientific calculator and I will show you how to use it. We have 6 over 5, so we need a fraction here. So the fraction sign is this. You guys can see this is a fraction sign. We can see A over C. You write it and you get a fraction sign. Okay, in the question we have 6 over 5 multiply 5 over 4. So we are going to write 6 over 5, that is 6 over 5, then multiply, then again another fraction. This is a fraction sign. Fraction 5 divided by 4. So I have written this, then you press equals, we get answer 1.5. But we want our answer in fraction, so what we are going to do is use this SD button. SD, click it and you will see that we get our answer in fraction. So this is 3 by 2, which is our answer. For B part, again, when you have to reset it, you click AC. Okay, this AC button will erase everything. Now we have 3 over 2 multiply 5 over 3. So we again write the fraction 3, then we click this next button 2, then we click next button, then we write multiply, then we write another fraction, we write it, and we have the other fraction is 5 over 3. Okay, then you click equals. We are getting our answer in decimals, but we need to convert it into fraction. Then we use SD button, this button, SD. So we write it SD. So this gives our answer in fraction 5 over 2. So this is the answer 5 over 2. Similarly, you can do this question and this question. You just simply write this in the calculator and this in the calculator and you will get your answer 14 over 9 and 28 over 5. Moving on to the next page, page number 72. 72 is not in our syllabus. This is not in our syllabus. Moving on to the page number 73. Again, we have to use calculator here. Multiply and express each in its simplest form. We have to use the calculator. So we will use the calculator. How we are going to use the calculator? Here you can see we have a mixed number. Mixed number 1 over 7. So for a mixed number, what you are going to do is click shift and then you are going to click again that fraction number. So you get a mixed number. So we write 1 1 7. That is our part 1 1 7. Multiply 28. We go next, multiply 28 and give equal. The answer is 32. We get the answer 32, but we also should know how to solve this without the calculator. How we can do is 7 multiply 1. We multiply the denominator with this number. 7 ones are 7 and 7 plus 1 we get 8. So we write 8 in the numerator and 7 in the denominator. Multiply 28. Okay. Now this is 8 over 7, multiply 28. We know that 7 and 28 goes on the same table of 7. 7 ones are 7 and 7 fours are 28. So we have 8 multiply 4 and 8 fours are 32. We got the same answer which was in the calculator. But we do not need to do this part. We do not need to solve this part. We can simply use the calculator to solve this part. Okay. Next part is 3 by 8 multiply 40. Now we will use the calculator in the similar way. Now you can press the shift and this is fraction number. Now we have to write this mixed number 3 Then go on the numerator 3 and the denominator 8. Then we go next, multiply 40, click equal, and you get your answer 135. Similarly, you can solve all these parts by using calculator. I can show you the part number H, that is 45 multiply 5, 1 over 2. So what we are going to do is click the AC, which will clear all our calculations, and 45 multiply 5 1 over t. So 45 multiply, and then we have a mixed number. For mixed number we click shift and the fraction number, and we have 5 1 over 2, so we write 5 1 2. Click equals. This is giving our answer in decimal, but we need it in fraction, so click ST. So you will get 495 over 2. So this is our answer, 495 over 2. Now again, next page, page number 74, we have the similar question that is expressed in minutes. We have 6, 7 over 10 hours, and we need to convert it into minutes using a calculator. Okay. Now 6, 7 over 10 hour. What we do to convert hour to minute is multiply this with 60. So 6, 7 over 10 multiply by 60. We can solve this manually as well, but we will use calculator. First, I will show you how to solve it manually. 10 multiply 6, 60. 60 plus 7 is 67 divided by 10 multiply 60. 10 ones are 10 and 10 6 are 60. So 67 multiply by 6, which gives our answer 402. I have already done the rough work here. 67 multiply 6 gives you 402. So this is our answer. But we will use calculator. In the B part, I will use calculator to show you how to solve it. So 5 over 12 multiply 60. So we will clear this, and we need a mixed number. So 5 2 multiply 60 equals, so we get 450 answer. This is 5 over 12. So here I have written 2, I should write here 12, and then equals, the answer is 325. So this is our answer, 325. Similarly, you will solve C part and D part using your calculators.